Metro schools will soon start trying to secure their portion of $5 billion over the next 5 years to improve their fleet of school buses.
Fox 4's Dave DeMarco's live at the Independent Schools Transportation Center with a look at the changes that district's already making. Dave?
And with the help of grants, they are moving towards having a fleet here of more of what they're calling cleaner and cheaper alternatives to diesel fuel, propane.
Drive 1.2 million miles a year with tanks that only get about 6 miles per gallon. Rising gas prices can be difficult to deal with.
Volatility, I think, is probably one of the scariest things about diesel at this point. Upwards of $2.60 to $2.70 per gallon.
So today at Independent Schools Transportation Center, they decommissioned 10 of the district's older diesel engine school buses. They're replacing with propane-powered ones. They were able to secure a nearly $450,000 grant from the EPA to make the change with help from an organization that goes after money available through the Diesel Emission Reduction Act.
Realized school buses was one of the most important things because of the children. You know, the children are our future, and children and the elderly are the most susceptible to getting harmful effects from diesel.
Under the infrastructure bill, over the next 5 years, the EPA will offer schools $5 billion to replace older diesel engines. $500 million each year will be spent on electric school buses, the other half on cleaner alternatives to diesel, CNG and propane. A plan designed to help save the environment and school districts money making those changes.
It gives us an opportunity to take some of the money that would be spent on transportation and put that back into the classroom.
And one of the benefits to propane, which of course is used for heating, is it performs better in colder temperatures. So Lauren, they tell me one of the things they're most looking forward to on those frigid mornings, not having to be out here quite as early to make sure all of these school buses are running.
That's going to feel really good come, February. Thanks.